Hello everyone, my name is Tyrone Dillard and I am the Camden County 4-H agent. Today, the Camden County Center staff of North Carolina Cooperative Extension would like to share some information with you about wheat. Wheat is a grass crop that is commonly cultivated for its seed. A cereal grain, it is a worldwide staple food. It is also one of the world's most commonly consumed grains. Wheat fields can be found in Camden County. In 2018, 5,700 acres of wheat was planted. That same year, 67 bushels per acre were harvested for a total of 323,000 bushels. 1 bushel of wheat is the equivalent of 60 pounds of grain. Now that you have been given some information about wheat, let's find out more about how wheat is planted, harvested, and processed, as well as nutrition facts and a wonderful recipe that I know you will definitely enjoy.
Well, hello. My name is Austin Brown, and I'm the Camden County Extension Director and Agriculture Agent. And today we're out here standing in a wheat field. One of the really unique things about wheat is it's the only crop that we grow that is planted in one calendar year and harvested the next. Wheat's planted in the months of October and November, and farmers plant their wheat in rows generally 7.5 inches apart, or sometimes they broadcast their wheat evenly across the ground. All during the growing season, Camden County farmers monitor and protect their crop from pests and diseases, along with monitoring the growth and development of their wheat plants and timing their fertilization with crop demand. It is now early June, and as you can see, these wheat plants have naturally turned brown and begun to dry down. We're only about 2 weeks from harvest. Farmers use machines called combines to harvest their wheat, which separates the grain from the plant. After it's harvested, this grain will be taken to grain bins where it will be stored until processing, or it could be saved to plant wheat for next year. Now we're going to learn a little bit about processing from Miss Marcia.
Nice throw, Austin. I'm Marci Berry, and I'm here in front of the grain bins behind Camden County High School. Austin was talking about the grain bins where the wheat is stored until it's processed. Big trucks will come in and transport the wheat from these grain bins to the mill where it's cleaned, separated, and ground. Some wheat will be made into feed for livestock, like chickens, pigs, and cows, and some will be made into flour. Once it's made into flour, it'll be delivered to food companies and made into all kinds of foods that we like to eat, like bread, pasta, and cereal. Now let's hear what Olivia has to tell us about wheat and the foods that we eat.
Thanks, Marcia. We'll begin with carbohydrates, which are found in breads, cereals, and other wheat-based foods. These provide us with the fuel our body needs, and that's why it's important to consume grains. Once it's consumed, wheat energizes the body, delivering essential nutrients to its cells, keeping our body active. Wheat is divided into 2 main categories. You have your enriched and your whole grains. Both are a great source of fiber and iron. Enriched grains are typically identified as white, like white bread or white pasta. To tell if the product contains whole grains, you'll need to check the ingredient list. You're looking for the word whole. Whole grains are naturally low in fat and provide us with more energy than enriched grains, which is why it's important that we make half of our grains whole. Check out this really cool whole wheat bread recipe.